Playfully expose your child to several languages with this colorful cardboard book.
Leo, lion.
You can pick from up to 27 languages and put up to 4 languages in one book. Exposing your child to multiple languages from birth enhances social skills and learning skills in general.
Mouse.
And it's great quality time together.
Hey,
Here's how it works. You order a book and select the languages you want. You receive the stickers and the book. Simply put the stickers in the book and your unique multilingual book is done. When you order a book now, we will donate one school book to a child in a developing country with no access to books. That's our commitment, sharing the fun of teaching and learning multiple languages from birth while giving back to society.
Thank you for watching and be sure to subscribe. We're building a community of global experts in communication, education and language learning. Join us by visiting our website www.languagelearningmarket.com and be sure to tag #languagelovers on any social media platform to promote your business or products on our social feeds.